way. It's currently, what time is it?
Fucking like 2 in the morning.
Almost 3 in the morning.
It's 3 in the morning, and we got work tomorrow. But we installed the downpipe, J-pipe, whatever you want to call it. So now I got a full exhaust. I'm still missing the header, but I just retuned the map to stage 2. And let's check it out. Let's see, map successful. Please turn the ignition key to the off for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. So, okay. Let's turn it off. 15 seconds.
I'd say go with the beeps. We're already at 5. 6.
So yeah, we did my dad helped a lot, and those bolts are fucking hard. If I have any suggestion for somebody getting a WRX or a Subi for that point, if you're gonna do a mod, I would I would try to get the mods before, or if you know you're gonna get the car, get the mods before, because it is a bitch to take those fucking bolts off. So I would
highly recommend
getting if you want to do downpipe, J-pipe, whatever it is, or full exhaust, get it beforehand, before you get the car. Or maybe if you have the car for like a couple months, because if I've had it for 2 years already, and those bolts are fucking bitch. Everybody says they're bitch, they are bitch. But I highly recommend getting them. If I would have known this shit was gonna be like hard as fuck, I would have gotten everything beforehand, or when I got the vehicle, I would have not really driven it. Or I didn't drive it for like a month. I was using my old truck, but I would have gotten all saved up and gotten all the stuff then and done it then, because fuck, when the bolts are fresh, you know, and easy to come off, because goddamn, they were hard to come off. But we got them off. Nonetheless, we got them off, and I'm gonna go sell the cats. I'm gonna go sell the cats for some cash. And yeah.
I think it's been more than 15 seconds. Crank a bitch.
Crank this bitch over. Cold start. It hasn't been started in a couple weeks.
Fuck California regulations.
Bro, I was no cats. Fucking straight gas, bro. We're running a little lean, but I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'm pretty sure the code's gonna throw a code that it's lean. But damn, it sounds fucking nice, bro. I'm gonna let it warm up here a little bit, do a little rest.
Sounds good.
stock internals. Yeah, I'm running a real big risk. So I need to get my voice controller ASAP. Now I did find one. My brother found one. What the hell is that lady's problem, man? God damn it. People are so fucking impatient, bro. Turning out. So I did find one. We did find one for $100. Trying to get it. Gotta wait till payday because, like I said, I bought the J pipe for $100. So that was my weekly money for gas and shit like that. So we scrounging right now. So